Hello, my ICTA students. All right, this is going to be lesson 4 in the tabs, and I want you to listen very carefully because this is really, really important. We're going to open a file that you've already created. Now, you've created the first file called vegetarian. So note your instructions say open the file. So you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Open, you're going to go to Browse, and you're going to go to your name. Alright, so I want to go to your name, go to my name, I want to go to ICT slot 4, and I want to go to Tabs. And now I see my name, September 17, vegetarian. Point to the blue W here and left double click. Now, vegetarian is on your screen. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is I want to edit this, and I want to say this is going to be exercise 4, and it's going to be vegetarian with leaders. Alright, now we want to save this with a different name. So we want to go to File, Save As, and we want to go to Browse, and here you are, check, you see your name, ICTA slot 4 tabs. Now we're going to change the name here. I'm going to make this September 25, and I also want to put in here vegetarian with leaders. Alright, so my new name is Lee, September 25, vegetarian with leaders. Alright, save it. Okay, so now we want to put leaders on these two lines after the fact, right? So take your white arrow, select the two lines only, not this blank paragraph symbol, not this one, just the two lines, all right? And we want to go to paragraph, and we want to go to tabs, all right? And now we want to choose our center tab at 2.25, and we want to put a dotted leader. So it's center, we want the dots, number 2, set it. Now we want to do another one. We want the tab at 4.5, which is right aligned, but we want to use the dashes. Click there, set it. You must remember to click on set. And then take your tab at 6 inches, which is a decimal tab, and we want leader number 4, set it. Alright, and note when you set it, it's no longer blue. Alright, say OK, and there you see your leaders. Alright, go Control S to save. So very nicely, that was very easy. Okay, now we changed the name here, so we have to change our footer. So you're going to go, because take a look at your footer now, and you see Mansell, ICT slot 4 tabs, Lee, September 17, vegetarian. That's not correct. So you're going to go to Insert, you need to go to Footer, and now you have to say Edit Footer. Edit Footer. Alright, now click here. Anywhere in here is fine. And you're going to press Function key F9 to update it. Alright, and now do you see that it reads Lee, September 5th, vegetarian with leaders. And that's what we want. Don't bother changing this date, that's fine. The only thing we're updating is the path and file name. Alright, so close out of there. Okay, and now go Control Home. Go Control Home. And because we've learned gradient, let's select the heading. And this time we will go to Gradient. You're going to go to More Gradients, and you're going to go to Gradient Fill, and once again I don't want those colors. Okay, we were in pink, so let's change the green one here. I'm going to say choose, go to More Colors, and go to Standard and choose pink. Okay, we're going to make it pink. Alright, and then the red I don't think falls in that good, so let's go change that to yellow. Okay, so there we got yellow. And actually the purple's pretty good, so let's leave that. So now let's play with your angle here and see if you're happy with it. Sorry. And that looks good. Alright, so now if you don't want this on now that we're finished with it, you can just click on your X to close out, and there's your document on your screen. Alright, go Control S to save. Now, just to refresh your memory, we've got two pictures here. Here's one, and they're grouped, right? Okay, so I'm going to click on the edge, and I'm going to say Format, and say Group, and we're going to say Ungroup. All right, so now I've got two pictures, one picture here, one picture here, and I want to put another one in. Let's look up tofu salad. All right, so go to the internet and go to a new tab, and now put in tofu salad picture or image. All right, and press enter. Okay, so you got lots of things to choose from, but you can go to more and look for more. All right, so which one looks good to you? Doesn't matter to me what you want to choose, but choose one that looks good to you. I think I like this one. So I'm going to now right click, copy image. All right, I'm going to go back to Word. Here's our Word document, and I want to go to paste and merge formatting. Okay, and it's too large, so you are going to size it down. Okay, size it down, and that's about good. All right, and the first thing we want to do is make it square, right? So choose square. So let's put this one about here. Let's put this one like this, and now one more time we're going to click on, oh, I didn't put a frame on here. Let's put a frame on. So no, that doesn't look good. What about this one? No, that's too thick. Okay, let me see if there's something better that I like. There, I'll go with that one. Okay, so now we're going to click on the first picture, hold down your Shift key, click on the second picture, click on the third picture. All right, let's go to Align. Okay, we want to go to Align, and we want to say Align the middles. And you see it there. Then you want to say Distribute horizontally. Align, distribute horizontally. And now we want to go to Group and say Group. And now you have all three pictures grouped together. So your footer has been updated, your header's there, you did the heading, and you put in your leader tabs. We're going to stop there.